Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have got a friend mail and it's from the lovely April. Now April's got a store on Etsy called Crafty Fox 251. I'm going to leave the link to her store in the description box below so you can go over there and check it out. She's got some really cool stuff on there. She sells nail art items, craft items, all sorts, glitters. She makes resin items. Oh, she's got all sorts on there, guys. So, and she's really affordable. So yeah, head over there and check her out. And I really want to get her name out there. She's got so much cool stuff on there, and she's so affordable. She's really not greedy with the prices whatsoever. So please head over there and check her out and tell everyone else about her as well. So let's crack on and I'll show you what she sent me. So to start with, she puts in this gorgeous note. Thank you for your order, Etsy shop. So that's the Etsy shop website. That's her Instagram, Facebook. She's also got a YouTube channel now, guys, as well. So please head over there and subscribe to that. Hi, Jean. I hope you like your goodies. Stay safe. Lots of love, April. Oh, she's so sweet. So to start with, she sent me some of this gorgeous glitter. Now look at that, guys. How gorgeous is that? And it comes double bagged, even though none has leaked. But I really like that she double bags it in case they do leak. So this one is called Orange Ultra Fine. Now look at that. That is so pretty. I love this. Absolutely love it. And as most of you guys know now, I don't really like iridescent glitters. But I don't mind if they've got a lot of colour to them. And look at the colour on that. There's so much colour to it. You can usually tell with iridescent glitters if they're quite clear when there's a little bit like this here. Quite often they are really transparent, but you can see how much colour is on this here. So you can just see how good quality this glitter is. It's really good quality. But I love that orange. I've not got anything like that orange at all, so I'm really happy about that. Oh, look how all this is bagged up, guys. Look, I've got to open that one last. Look at all these little baggies. Look at the presentation. That is so pretty. I love these little bags. They're so cute. I think I'm going to leave them till the end, guys, actually. Right, next, she sent me some foil. Love this foil. This is so pretty. I've not seen anything like this. Look at this, guys. Holographic checkered foil. Look at that. It's got all different bits on it. It's got like plaid, loads of different checkered patterns. Stars, hearts, squares. How pretty is that? And look at the hollow on that. Look at that. Love it. And she sent me a whole meter. Look at that. A whole meter of it. Wow. Wow. What a sweetheart. Then she sent me another holographic foil. Now this is just as gorgeous. Look at this one, guys. Look at this. It's all different roses. Look at that. I love this here. Really like these. Just look at that one. Oh, and that one. And again, a whole meter of it. Wow. Then lastly, for the foils, she sent me, look at this one. Look at that. What a beautiful colour that is. Really nice marble. I've got a few different marble foils, but nothing like this sort of colour. It's like a burgundy sort of deep pink. Really, really nice. Love that. And again, a whole meter. Ooh, look at these. Look at these. Oh, I love these. Look at the colour of them. They are so shiny. Such a gorgeous colour though. Ooh, I can't wait to have a play with them. I'm definitely going to start doing more crystal designs. I can't wait to start doing more things like that. Oh, look at these. These are blue white rhinestones. Look at them. How pretty are they? Yee. So she sent me them. Oh, look at this bag, guys. Look at that. How cute is that? Look at these. Look at these little snakes. Love them. And again, look how shiny they are. Oh, and look at these love hearts with a bow on the top. How pretty are they? Look at them shining. Can't wait to use these, you know. And they're both curved. Yes, they are. So pretty. Love, love, love them. Oh, then she sent me some Fimos. Look at these. They're cute. We've got Hello Kitty. We've got a little piggy. A bear. Ladybird. Another bear. Oh, there's loads of little ones in here. So cute. Look at that little bear there. Oh, look at that. Ah, so cute. Little cat. Little frog. Oh, they're really cute. Love them. Oh, look at the fox. That's cool. Hey, fox from Crafty Fox. Love that. Really like them. So cute. Right, now we're on to these little bags. Oh, look at these. Love them. Look at them. Oh, do you know what? I love how sharp these are. You know how pointed the ends are. Look at that. And I was desperate for some scissors that was pointy at the end, you know. You know, for when you fit in forms, the paper forms, and you want to chop down the sides and things like that. These are just really handy for things like that. Because my little scissors, they're too wide at the end to get down the side of the paper form, you know. So these are going to come in so handy. Love them. How cute are they? So cute. So cute. Oh, then she sent me a gel polish, bless her. Oh, look. It looks like it's a glittery one. Oh, let me grab a swatch stick so I can swatch this. 1 second, guys. Right, swatch stick. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, it's got little chunky bits in it as well. I love that colour. That glitter is gorgeous. Oh. Oh, look at that. Love that colour. So pretty. Right, that's all been top coated. Oh, look at that, guys. How gorgeous is that? Thank you so much, chick. Right, we're on to the last one now, guys. One that she says, open less. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wonder what it is. Oh, look at this. Look at that, guys. She's made this especially for me. Look at that. That is so cute. Look at all the stars in it. I love these chameleon stars. They're gorgeous. Look at the colour shift on them. So pretty. Absolutely love this. I'm going to treasure this for the rest of my life. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, April. You are an absolute sweetheart. Really are an absolute sweetheart. Right, that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you like everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to leave the link to Crafty Fox 251's Etsy store in my description box below, so please go over there and check her store out. She's got some absolutely beautiful goodies on there. As you can see, this is just a fraction of what she's got on there, and she's getting more and more on there so fast. So yeah, please go over there and check her out, and also head over to her Instagram and Facebook and give her a like and a follow. I'd really appreciate that. So I really want to get her name out there, guys, because, yeah, I think she's going to do so well. I really do. She's got a great eye for buying products. So, yeah, I'd love to see her do really well. Right, guys. I just want to say again, thank you so much, April. You are such an angel. Right. That's everything for this video, guys. Really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.